everyone. I'm Jack, and this is my wife, Lily. We are so happy to help you practice English today with a very special story about our family.
That's right. Today's story is about our children, Mia and Leo. It is a story about school grades, big egos, and most importantly, the power of a kind heart.
Don't worry if you are a beginner. We will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. Just relax, listen, and enjoy the lesson.
Before we start, we have a small challenge for you. In the first scene, the children get their exam results. What gift does Mia receive from us for getting an A+?
Listen carefully for the answer and write it in the comments below. Sharing your answer is a fantastic way to practice your writing and improve your English.
Are you ready to find out what happens? Let's get started.
Kids, today is a very special day. Your mother and I are very happy.
That's right. We saw your exam results today. You both studied very hard.
Look at my paper, Dad. I got an A+ in math. It was so easy for me. And I got a B+ in art. The teacher said my painting of the forest was beautiful.
Excellent. An A+ and a B+. We are so proud of you both.
Because of your hard work, we have 2 small gifts for you.
Wow, look at this. A gold pen? It looks so expensive. It's perfect for a top student like me. Oh! A new set of professional watercolors. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. A pen is better for studying, Leo. Art is just a hobby. Math is for smart people.
Mia, honey, every subject is important. Leo worked just as hard as you did.
Maybe, Dad, but an A+ is the best. I think I am the smartest person in this house now.
Being smart is good, Mia. But remember, having a kind heart is even better.
Don't worry, Mom. I have the grades, A, and the looks. I don't need anything else. I'm just happy we both did well, Mia. Do you want to try my new paints later? No thanks, Leo. I'm too busy being a genius. I have to post my grade online. This pen is so smooth. It is the perfect tool for a future scientist. It's really nice, Mia. Hey, can you help me with this math problem? I don't understand question 5. Leo, I am very busy right now. I am planning my study schedule for next month. But it will only take a minute. You are so good at math. Exactly. And because I am the top student, I need to rest my brain. Also, look at the floor. Your paints are everywhere. I am just cleaning them, Mia. I'll be finished soon. No, clean it now. Actually, you should clean my desk too. I have a lot of important thinking to do. That's not fair, Mia. We usually clean the room together. Well, things are different now. I have an A+. Winners don't do chores, they lead. Since I'm the smartest, I'm in charge of this room. Mom and Dad said we are a team. Being smart doesn't mean you can boss me around. It's not bossing around, Leo. It's called delegating. Now pick up those clothes and don't distract me. Fine. But I think you are changing, Mia. You weren't like this last week. Last week, I didn't have a gold pen and a perfect score. Success changes people, Leo. Get used to it. I liked the old Mia better. Oh,
Look at Mrs. Green. She looks very tired. Those bags are huge.
She's always carrying something. Maybe she should buy a car.
Oh dear. It's a long walk today. I need to sit down for a moment.
Mrs. Green, huh? Wait. May I help you with those?
Oh, hello, Leo. That is very kind of you. These bags are much heavier than I thought.
Don't worry. I am strong. I can carry this to your door. Leo! Come back! We have to go inside and study! Don't waste your time!
Hello, Mia. Would you like to help your brother? The other bag is heavy, too.
Sorry, Mrs. Green, but I have a very important math competition next week. My brain needs to focus on big things, not groceries. It's okay, Mrs. Green. I can do it. Mia is too busy being a genius.
Being a genius is good, Mia, but helping a neighbor is a different kind of smart. It's called being a good person.
Ignore her. Here we are. Let me put these on your table.
Thank you, Leo. You have a heart of gold.
A heart of gold won't get you an A+.
What a lovely day for a picnic. The air is so fresh.
It is, Lily. And it's a great day to celebrate our children's hard work.
I hope the picnic spot is quiet. I want to read my advanced math book. Noise distracts me. Look! A boy is crying on that park bench. What happened? Hi there. Why are you crying? Are you okay? I dropped my ice cream. It was my only one, and I don't have any more money. That's too bad. You should be more careful. Come on, Leo. The best picnic spot will be taken. Wait. I have an extra chocolate bar in our basket. My mom gave it to me for being good. Leo, that is your favorite chocolate. You waited all week for that. Don't give it to a stranger. He is sad, Mia. He needs it more than I do. Here you go. I hope this makes you feel better.
Wow! Really? Thank you so much. You are like a superhero.
Oh, a superhero without a snack. That's not smart, Leo. Now you have nothing. Actually, Mia, Leo has something very big. He has a generous spirit.
Mia, being smart means knowing how to solve problems. Leo just solved that boy's sadness. Isn't that a big thing, too?
It's just a chocolate bar, Dad. It doesn't improve his grades. Let's just go eat our sandwiches. Enjoy your chocolate. Have a nice day.
Oh, no. Lily, I think I left my wallet at the park cafe.
I don't have mine either, Jack. We only have the kids' pocket money left.
Excuse me, kind people. I am trying to sell these flowers to buy medicine for my wife, but I am still $10 short.
$10? Whew! I have exactly $10 from my birthday money. Leo, stop! That is your new toy fund. You worked for weeks to save that. But his wife is sick, Mia. A toy can wait, but medicine cannot.
Mia, you have $20 in your purse from your A+ reward. Would you like to help this man?
Dad, this money is for the blue dress I saw online. If I give it away, The dress will be sold out.
The dress is beautiful, Mia. But helping someone in an emergency is a different kind of beauty.
It's not my fault he doesn't have enough money. I earned this for being smart. I want my dress. Here is my $10, sir. Please buy the medicine for your wife.
Thank you, young man. You have a very special heart. God bless you.
Now you have $0, Leo.
You're gonna regret this when we go to the toy store tomorrow.
I don't think so, Mia. I feel very light and happy inside.
Did you see that? Mia's smart brain is forgetting how to love.
Yes, I did. We need to show her that a gold pen cannot buy a clear conscience.
Mia, we need to talk about today. You are a very smart girl, and we love your success.
I know, Dad. I got an A+. I am the best in my class. Why are we talking so seriously?
Because, Mia, being the best isn't only about school. Today, we saw you refuse to help Mrs. Green. We saw you laugh at the boy in the park.
But Mom, I have to protect my time and my money. I worked hard for them. Is that wrong?
It isn't wrong to work hard, Mia. But it is wrong to think that your grades make you better than other people.
Do you remember what you told Leo? You said, winners don't do chores. That hurt your brother's feelings very much.
I just wanted to be important. I thought being smart was the most important thing in the world.
Mia, look at me. A gold pen can write a beautiful story, but it cannot feel love.
A high grade can open a door, but kindness keeps people inside.
We are proud of your brain, Mia. But we want to be proud of your heart, too.
Today, Leo was the one who acted like a leader.
But Leo didn't get an A+. He only got a B+.
Leo got an A+ in humanity today. He helped a neighbor and a stranger. That is a lesson you cannot learn from a book.
I thought I was winning. But now I feel like I'm losing something important.
It's never too late to change, honey. Being smart is a gift, but being kind is a choice. Which choice will you make tomorrow?
I think I made a lot of mistakes today. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Dad. Hey, Leo. Are you still awake? Yeah. I'm just drawing. Do you need me to clean the floor again? No, Leo. I came to say I'm sorry. I was very mean today.
You're apologizing? But you have the gold pen and the A+.
The pen is just a thing, Leo. But you are my brother. I was so proud of my grade that I forgot to be a good sister. It's okay, Mia. I was just sad because we usually have fun together. I went to the store with Mom's help. I didn't buy the blue dress. I used my reward money to buy this for you.
Wow! A professional sketchbook and a set of high-quality pencils. But Mia, this was for your dress.
I realized that seeing you happy is better than any dress. Also, I drew something for you. Thank you, Mia. I love it.
The drawing is... well, it's not an A+ in art, Mia.
I know. It's probably a D-. But I drew it with my heart, not just my brain. It's the best drawing in the room. Thank you, Mia. You're welcome, Leo. And tomorrow, I will help you with your math homework. No bossing around, I promise. Deal! You're still the smartest girl I know, but now you're the nicest too. Thanks, Leo. Let's go get some milk and cookies. I think we have a lot of stories to tell Mom and Dad.
We hope you enjoyed today's lesson about Mia and Leo. It was a very important journey for our family, and we are so glad you were here with us.
If you like this story and want to learn more English with us, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us create more videos for you.
Now, we have 2 quick questions for you. First, what is one new English word or phrase you learned today? Please write it in the comments below.
Also, we are very curious. Where are you watching this video from? Tell us your city or country. We love meeting students from all over the world.
Remember, writing comments is a great way to practice your English every day. Don't be shy. We read all of your messages.
Thank you so much for studying with us. Keep practicing, stay kind, and we will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.